After you've transplanted a cutting, and this one is a rooted cutting, so I know that there are roots. If it did not have roots, you can have a plastic bag or some kind of dome or something around it to keep in the humidity. That helps the plant to survive. Otherwise, they tend to dry out and die. That's not the case for every plant, but for a lot. This one here already has roots, which I showed in the last video. So I'm going to go ahead and put water. And even though the soil is damp, the reason why I'm watering it is because you don't want to have any air pockets around the roots, because that's when you'll have root death. So you want it to completely have all the little air bubbles out of there, even though the soil was already damp. So this is ready to go. That was super fast. And when I see roots, I like to use, sometimes, not always, but sometimes I like to use clear cups when I first transplant. When I see roots, that will be really easy for me to know when it's time to up pot them. You can also hide the cup by placing it into another container if you want it to look prettier. But I do like to be able to pull it out and hit the kind of like a peekaboo window where you can see the root development. When I see the roots get to the cup, then I know it's time to change it into a larger container. All right, that looks good. Have a good one, you guys.